Assalamualaikum and good day to the members of the panel. I am Nur Safiza binti Ismail. I'm a third-year student currently undergoing my FYP1 under the supervision of Sheikh Nourizam bin Kadmun. I'll be presenting my FYP1 proposal titled UTM Health Center Physiotherapy Appointment System. The overview of my presentation today will include introduction, project aim, objective, scope, project requirements, use case diagram, and ABC, and conclusion. Currently, physiotherapy unit at UTM Health Center relies on a manual system of recording and making appointments for patient. This involves physical logbooks and phone calls to manage patient appointments. The access to the physiotherapy service can be limited due to various factors such as appointment scheduling, time constraint, and reminders. Moreover, this approach can also cause inaccurate or redundant data when managing a large number of patients. Thus, to address this issue, I have proposed a solution to develop a web-based system called UTM Health Center Physiotherapy Appointment System. This system helps both patient and therapist to make appointment and manage appointment efficiently, leading to a better health outcomes. This new system for physiotherapy unit in UTM Health Centers also help the physiotherapy management to be more interactive, accessible, and user-friendly. Next, the objective of this project is to produce a complete requirement specification for the proposed system. Second, to design a database and architectural design that support the appointment management system. And lastly, to conduct a thorough testing to validate the system functionality and usability before deploying the system. Moving on to the scope of this project, the first one is the system will facilitate a user-friendly web interface that is compatible for web-based system, implementing features based on the CRUD operation for managing appointment scheduling, managing user, and managing therapy schedule. The intended user of the system are patients and physiotherapists. It is designed to support features for appointment booking, set reminders, track patients' progress, generate reports, and provide analytic dashboard for UTM health centers, leading to a better health outcome for patient. Here are the technology used for the project. Starting with the software, I will be using VS Code for development environment, Firebase for data management system, GitHub for version control system, Spring Boot Maven for development framework, HTML, JavaScript, and TeamLeaf to build a dynamic web application, Enterprise Architect for visual modeling and design tool, Bootstrap for front-end framework, and Figma for prototype. The hardware that I'll be using is my personal laptop, which is Windows 11, that has a processor of 12th gen Intel with i5 core. It has a 16 gigabyte of RAM. And for the network elements, I will use a local area network, LAN, and also internet connection. For this project, I will be using the Agile methodology. This methodology allows flexibility during the project development, focusing on collaboration and customer feedback. Agile methodologies such as Scrum and Kanban prioritize flexibility and adaptability that allows to quickly respond to changing requirements or improvement, ensuring that the final product meets the requirement and client's satisfaction. It uses delivering working software in short iteration, which is sprints that typically lasts for 1 to 4 weeks. Moving on to the use case diagram. So there will be 13 use cases in total. The main features in the use case diagram is patient can view the dashboard, patient can manage their appointment, whether to add or to cancel appointment, and a reminder will be set to each appointments made. Both patient and therapist can view the appointment's detail. Patients will be able to update their daily progress, and from that, therapist will track the progress and generate the report. Next, therapist can manage the appointment schedule, and lastly, admin can manage user. The NABC for this system is the first one, which is the need. Physiotherapy unit at UTM Health Center is using manual system to record patient's data to set appointment using physical logbooks and phone calls. For the approach, I will be developing a web-based system that will help both patient and therapist to make appointment and manage their appointment efficiently. Third is benefit, to ensure that the system efficiency is using automate appointment scheduling to save more time for both patient and therapists. And lastly, for the competitors which have the similar product, which is BTL and Physio Network. However, the system is designed to support features that are tailored features specifically for managing physiotherapy appointments at UTM Health Center. In conclusion, after I have finished my FYP1, I hope to become well-versed in implementation for web-based system development, and the system requirements are successfully achieved from interviewing the stakeholder. And lastly, the user interface or prototype meets the user satisfaction. So that's all from me. Thank you.